Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI, and my lips are always moisturized thanks to this fruity lip balm by Labello. This cherry lip balm smells delicious, exactly like cherries, and when I apply it, it feels very soft on the lips. I really like the fact that it not only moisturizes the lips but also adds some color. It's like a soft light red color, and if I wipe it off, my lips still have some color, and I love that. I literally use it every single day, even when I'm at home, because it feels so comforting and soft. So if you're looking for a lip balm that moisturizes, smells great, and gives color at the same time, I highly recommend this one. This is the Cherry and Fruity Lip Balm by Labello. I love this so much, I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.